In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off active status on Instagram, a mobile app. If you'd like a little more privacy on Instagram, disabling your active status is a quick way to stop others from seeing when you were last online or whether you're currently active. This is the little green dot and the last active time that show up in direct messages and certain parts of the app. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and heading to your profile. You can do that by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where most of your account controls live. Now scroll until you find the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Tap Messages and Story Replies. Inside this area, you'll see an option called Show Activity Status. Go ahead and tap that. You'll land on a simple screen with the switch next to Show Activity Status. Toggle that switch off. When it's off, the indicator usually changes color or moves to the left, confirming it's disabled. With this turned off, other people won't be able to see your active status or when you were last active on Instagram. Keep in mind there's a trade-off. When you disable your active status, you also won't be able to see the activity status of your friends or anyone you're messaging. That's by design, so everyone plays by the same rules. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Changes typically take effect right away, but if you don't see it reflected immediately in your conversations, give it a moment. You can come back to the same setting at any time to turn it back on if you change your mind. Turning this off does not affect your ability to send or receive messages, view stories, or post. It simply hides your online presence indicator. If you also use Instagram on a web browser, you can disable your active status there too. Go to Instagram.com, open your settings, then choose Messages and Story Replies, and uncheck Show Activity Status. That way, your preference is consistent across both mobile and web. And that's all it takes. This is a straightforward way to control how visible your online presence is, giving you a bit more privacy without changing how you use Instagram day to day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.